Okay. Alright. Hi guys. Let me do that again. Welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see, I'm in the kitchen. But anyways, this is going to be another vlog. I'm going to carry you guys along for my week. Right now, I hope you guys are doing well. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe at any part of the video. Make sure you give me a thumbs up, you know. And yeah, once again, it's been a minute. I hope you guys are doing well. Today is Saturday, the 5th 6th of March, 5th I think, and I'm cooking yam porridge right now. So let me show you guys this, and then later today I'm going to go with my family to a restaurant and we're going to eat, and then yeah, just follow me guys. It's the red ones and half an onion. I cut the other half of the onion I'm going to use for when I'm mixing everything. But yeah, inside here is just 2 red bell peppers and half an onion that I'm going to blend. Then this is my yam. I'm going to cut it into small squares. This is my palm oil. So I'm going to put the palm oil, then onions, then the mix which I'm going to fry, and then add the yam, my spices. This is salt, this is chicken seasoning, and then yeah, I'll just be showing you guys as I'm doing it, and let's go. I'm done blending, so that's what it looks like. Normally it shouldn't be that liquid, but I added water because the blender was not blending. Now to the next steps. Start cutting the yam. Once cut like sizes like this, then cut it into 3, and then again, just to have squares. Remember guys, at the last day I was telling you how I want to get out of my comfort zone when it comes to cooking, and I'm glad because I've really been able to do that. Now it's once a week trying a new meal, you know, just getting better. And for the driving part, a little less, but when it comes to driving, you know, it's not my own car, so there's a lot of factors that come into play. But yeah, I'm really, you know, proud of me. That's what you want to have, like squares. And yeah, I'll just continue with these, and then I'll show you guys the next steps. Okay, so after 1 hour now guys, I'm done with the yam porridge. Let me show you guys. So yeah, after adding the mix, I added the yam, and then let it cook for like 20 minutes. Then I added spinach, and then you turn and it gets thicker, and voila. So I think I'm done with the kitchen for the day, and now I'm going to start preparing. It's my outfit, guys. We're about to leave. I kept my jacket, then my top, my Air Forces, and just a jean, then my bag. Basically. Alright guys, we made it to the restaurant. So yeah, about to go and eat. Yeah, I'm excited. Buffalo grill. Let go. I think I've been here before. You will not hold the door for your mom.
Excusez-moi, j'ai une autre côte avec légumes de riz, désolé, haricots verts, ils sont en train de cuire. Et voilà. D'accord. Bon appétit à vous. Moi, j'avais demandé ça avec moi. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is another day of vlog. Today is Sunday, so that means church, and I'm just going to get ready for church now. Yeah, on the last video I showed you guys how I make up, so I'm just going to speed up this part and catch up with you guys when I do something else, I guess. I think now I'm done with my makeup, so I'm going to dress up and then go to my hair. Today I'm not dressing as I would normally dress for a Sunday service, but because I'm traveling after the service to go to school, I'll just be dressing more like streetwear, like something comfortable today. Yeah, let me do that, guys. Outfit check. This is my outfit, guys. And see you guys when I'm in church. Hello people. So I made it to church. Right now I'm setting everything here, because like you guys know by now, I'm in the media department, so I'm getting all the screens ready, and yeah, it's the lighting for me. Yeah, I'll show you guys how the service goes here, and hopefully if I'm not too busy with other things, and else I'll catch you guys when the service is done. I appreciate my makeup. In fact, leave a thumbs up, not thumbs up, a thumbs up for my makeup, because girl, yes please do that now. Leave a thumbs up in this video just because of my makeup, like just because of this beauty. I'm fine. Leave a thumbs up. Catch you guys. Bye. Why is this not working today? The devil is a liar. I don't know why it is not working today, but the devil is a liar. I'm vlogging. Ok. T'as vu comment ça fait pas? Ah oui, je sais pas pourquoi ça fait pas. Est-ce que il y a tout qui est branché parce que moi j'ai laissé tomber. As you know me guys, I was able to fix the TV. Like I said, the devil is a liar and I'm good. So yeah, now what I have to do is put the songs that we're going to project today. Let me show you guys. I am your worship. I am your sacrifice. And we just project them, right? Yeah, let me do that now.
What will I live for if I don't have you in my life? What would I get?
Okay guys, so now we're done with the service. Femi, our bags. Yeah, just finished taking pictures because there's sun. And yeah, right now I'm waiting for my brother to go and drop me to the station. Look at my friends here, they're selling. They've been messing up the pancakes, but yeah, that's what's going on now. So yeah, come to our church, you'll be well treated, please. So right now guys, I'm in the car still waiting for my brother. It's actually really cold, so I had to ask him for the key. And they're also selling food like rice today, so I bought that. And they gave us like drink and meat pie for free. Like somebody brought food here for the church. So I'm just going to be eating the rice while waiting. I hope you guys had a nice Sunday, like spend time with God, all of that good stuff, because it's important, you know. Yeah. Make sure you subscribe, guys. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. That will encourage me to be more consistent, bring more, you know, content, etc.
It's nice. So
Talk what you want to talk.
so I was sick.
Can you record in the landscape mode? I don't know what you're recording. You're not sending. Okay guys, so now I'm at the station. I'm going to wait here. I didn't want to wait in church and then have to rush to the station, so I'm just going to wait there. And I was done in church anyways, so yeah, that's what's happening now. My train is at 4:43, almost 5, and right now it's like 3. No, not even 3. What time is it? What time is it? I think now it's like 2:50 or so. So I have time. As you guys see, guys, now I'm in the train. It just left now while I was with all basically. And now I'm just going to chill and watch a movie. Go on YouTube, catch up on the YouTube videos I've not been watching because lack of time, because of work, and just chill. And I'll catch up with you guys when I'm home in my school apartment, student apartment, basically. Bye guys. So I made it back home. As you guys can see, thank God. First of all, now your girl has to prepare for the week ahead. I'm going to school, so I have to like set my alarms. I have to prepare my bag. I have to remove this makeup first of all. Yeah, do all this stuff. So I guess that for today, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Hopefully I don't forget to vlog, because sometimes you get carried away by the events of the day and then you forget to vlog. Well, hopefully, because you guys got my back, I got you too, and I'll vlog. I also have to go for grocery shopping because there's nothing in my fridge, and yeah, I'm staying here 2 weeks, so I have to make sure I cook stew, cook some meals, you know, just fill my fridge so I don't have to bother about food for these 2 weeks. But yeah, that's about that for today. I'll catch you guys tomorrow by the grace of God still. Take care, guys. Good night. Bye. Hola, people. I hope you guys are doing well. Right now it's Monday. It's like past 7, like 7:15 or so. I woke up at 6:47 because I have to leave at 7:47. Because I'm starting at 8. 8:30. I have to be at 8:30 in a meeting place with our teachers and my other classmates here. I have to be at 8:30 there, and it's like maybe 30 minutes away. So yeah, I'll catch you guys when I'm outside. I made it to the station. I actually came out earlier than announced because I want to recharge my card. But the annoying part is I'm only here for 2 weeks and you have to recharge for a month. Like there's no week per week. So it's like I pay 50 euros for the whole month, but I'm actually losing because I'm only here 2 weeks. It's very cold, and it's March. I'm confused. Like, is the coldest month not supposed to be in January or something like that? I'm genuinely confused. But it's cold. Wow, yes, even increased. Now it's 15 euros and 10 cents. Like, whatever. Yeah. Imagine. Anyway, that's my city, guys. Look how pretty she is. Yeah. The tram coming. I have time to cross. Yes, I have time. Anyway, I'll catch you guys when there's another tram coming there. That's not the one I'm supposed to take. But well, at this moment I might as well be early, you know. I'll catch you guys when. Alright guys, so I'm done with school for this morning. Right now I'm waiting for the tram. I had two options, either go buy food and then like go to where I'll have class this afternoon, or option B, where I've been to go home and go for grocery shopping, and then from home then I can leave for wherever we have class this afternoon. And I chose option B. Right now it's like 12:10 and I have class at 2, but where I'm having class this afternoon is not too far from home, so I'd rather do my grocery now because I have time, to be honest. Yeah, I have like enough time to go to the grocery store, then go home, eat, and then leave. So I'd rather do that now. And yeah, let me just enter the tram, go to the grocery store. I still haven't done my grocery list. Oh, my tram is here. But yes, yeah. But I actually need to buy stuff because I have to cook stew. I have to buy milk, like breakfast food, etc. Basically. So yeah, let me go now. It's the sun for me. It's the sun for me. Anyway, bye guys. Finally got to the grocery store. Whoa. Bonjour. When I'm seeing my list, I'm already tired. Oh, I'll be fine. Because I'll be carrying plenty. I'll touch you guys when I'm home. Hola people. So after the grocery store, come back home, cook like noodles. I'm about finishing them. Now it's about like 1:22 and I have to leave like between 30 and 40. I haven't even checked the bus time, but I have to be at school at 2. So yeah, that's about that. I'll finish eating, then I'll head out and I'll catch you guys maybe at the end of the day when I cook my stew, or I still have to go back to the grocery store though because I was not able to take all I want to take. I forgot, like, I left some few things because whoa, load is plenty. I was already carrying my school bag with my laptop, which is not the lightest. I can't be carrying plenty things, so yeah, I need to go back there. I also need to go to the pharmacy, get my drugs. I want to buy plantain too this evening. So once I'm done with school, I'll catch up with you guys. Yep. Hola people, it's another day. Yeah, yesterday, I told you guys I was craving pancakes. But the ingredients only for me to start doing the pancakes, and because I didn't have the right tool, which is the frying pan, like they were burning, etc. I didn't have butter. I had oil. I tried that, still burning, still not doing what it's supposed to do, So yeah, I actually wasted the pancake mix. I tried everything, was not working, gave up. Now today is Tuesday, have full day at school too. I look very tired, but God is our strength, amen. So right now I'm about to leave. I was only able to send some videos, so I've not started editing, but I want to send more this morning, leave earlier, maybe do that in school, and that's about that. So I'll catch you guys later. I think in one of my videos I've done actually a tour of my school. If that's the case, I'll link it somewhere, maybe up here or in the description box. Yeah, make sure you guys catch up on my last videos. Like, please, that will encourage me to do more. So make sure you share with your friends, make sure you subscribe, make sure you comment too, you like, yeah, do all that good stuff. It's free and it doesn't take much time. I hope you guys have a nice day. See you guys later. Bye bye. C'est pas de problème, hein. À un moment donné, tu peux rien. Not me thinking I was in another building. this morning. Thank God I checked my timetable because I would have gone like on the other side. Anyway, I don't know what they are doing today, but they are giving out food for free, which is nice, which I didn't take because I'm not hungry anyways. Maybe later on. And now I'm going to my class. Still early. Probably the first one. Let me show you guys. Salut. Your girl is going to taste their food, you know, as like a test. I need to test. So let's see. So I didn't show you guys my outfit. This, I'm wearing like a gray top, some jeans, and my new button. So right now I'm on break. I'm about to go and get food. Where they were selling food this morning, they are now selling lunch. But well, they're selling hot dogs. So first I waited, but then I'd rather go and buy what I wanted to eat yesterday, which is like a sandwich. So now I'm here. Un panini au poulet et and I got my food. So this is chicken, like tomatoes and cheese. I also got like a muffin here, no, a cookie. Got my water, and now I'm just going to like eat and chill, watch a movie. Then once I'm done eating, I'm going to start continue editing until my next class, which is this afternoon, which is project. And I'll catch you guys when I'm home. I have some cooking to do again this evening. Today I'm cooking stew. I also have my drugs to get. Hopefully I don't forget. And I have like chicken to cook also, and spaghetti. Yeah.
My table is a mess. I'm cooking, so bear with me. I've blended my tea. Since the tomatoes are here for the stew, I've done my spaghetti. This is dinner, by the way. Just snacks, because I'm not that hungry. Then, chicken are cooking. Then I'm going to use this, the chicken stew, chicken stock. And then, what's the word? Like this is for my stew.
So I couldn't like watch my show, because it has already started, so I'm just going to watch the replay today. Came early. Right now it's 9:13, and it's Wednesday, by the way. I hope you guys slept well. I came early because I want to continue editing, so I'm just going to do that and catch you guys later. I'll show you guys my outfit later, but I got this stuff from Primark, and I'm just thinking I should have got like other colors because it's actually a nice stuff, you know. That's that. Bye. So guys, right now I'm on break. They're still selling like pancakes even today, which I'm going to take like every day. Every day till they're here for me. That's gonna be what I'm going to do, you know. And yeah, they are good. So yeah. Hola people. Today is Thursday. It's about like 12:30, 12:40, and I'm going home. Went to class this morning, and this afternoon I'm just going to do online because it's like a project. Not really a project, but working with someone, and I just told her that I'd rather do it at home. She was fine with it, so yeah. And I also think I'm going to end the vlog here because my week is not that interesting, to be honest. It just consists of going to school running errands if I have to, like going to buy drugs or going for grocery shopping, etc. So yeah, these days I wanted to vlog till Saturday, but there's really nothing interesting to show. And I think on Friday, tomorrow, I'm going to go buy plantain and just go to school basically. This weekend I'm just going to chill and go to church. That's about that. So guys, these days it's been like the sun has been popping. Anyway, so guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, comments. Yeah, make sure you share also this video, and see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.